good afternoon to the people on the East Coast and good morning to the people on the West Coast. It's 10:47 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, the date 2 of 23 of 14. I have before us a monthly chart of Tesla Motors. Okay, and Tesla also reported their quarterly earnings last week. And yes, they did beat the estimates. However, we are overbought on Tesla. And those earnings have taken us to all-time highs in Tesla. Now, we all know that we were shorting Tesla last year. On our website, you'll see how this stock had made the 52-week high in 2013. That high at that time was 194.50. Then for the next 2 months when we were short, and it's all on stockmarketfunding.com, we made the low here of $116 per share. All you have to do is go over here on stockmarketfunding.com and you type in TSLA and hit enter in the search. You're going to find a lot of history with the Tesla and other related stocks that were in here. And you're going to find that over the time frame that we had traded it, you have a lot of live trades on Tesla. Click number 2 and you do that. It will bring up more stocks on Tesla and what Tesla had did in comparison with various other different things, indexes and whatnot. You go to the home page to trading. One thing you need to know is that you can open an account because you can. You go down here, open an account. Yes, we'll give you trading capital as we will. You won't have the pattern day trading rule. If your account balance is below 25,000, then you're pretty much dead meat. And you do not have direct access trading. We know that too. It's all retail models that you folks are in. If you want to get into a professional model, then you can do that. Let us not forget you can take the free 5-day trial. There you can ask all the questions you want and how to get involved with trading and whatnot. So on Tesla, we are short Tesla. Tesla in after hours went way up there, 224. And so far, though, the monthly high for February, what's on record here is the low is 169 and 215. 215 being the high. Now, you have ran over 100 points in the last, calendar 3 months in a row. We are going to be buying put options on Tesla. We'll use the March contract, which is a $215 put. We are also going to look down below the market where this $200 put, March regular monthly. We just expired, but we're going to say to our big option traders that we have, they are going to get a great position in here because Tesla is extremely overbought. And not only that, we will be looking at the 210 puts. And the 210 puts are 12 by 12.20, $1.55 range. They don't have a lot of high beta. And we're going to short Tesla on the intraday. Why? Because Tesla is extremely overbought. And I mean, listen, we got short in after hours. That thing went up to $225. That was in after hours on the earnings. But the stock in a regular market, open to close market, it can't get above 215. So any run up below that area, we're going to get short. We will also buy the dips on certain days as well. So I'm going to let you just look at where the breakout happened in 2013. That's an ASIN monthly breakout, big pullbacks. Now, let me tell you something. They did everything good. I will tell you, though, right now, The cars are going to sell in Germany. The cars are going to sell in Europe. Look, the stock has ran $100 points. All the good news and the targets right now are priced into Tesla. You need to understand that. We're going to be shorting Tesla at resistance. It's going to be a good trading vehicle through 2014. This market paid us huge. When this thing fell from 194.50 right here to $116. Well, guess what? It came back in a big way. Yes, Tesla's done great. I can tell you right now, though, there are bear runs in Tesla that's coming and bull runs. Bull runs have already happened. Buy at the lower support. We're going to sell under resistance. We're going to look at the 220 put, 215 put, and below the market, the $200 put on Tesla Motors. Once again, an all-time high on Tesla. And there's going to be reversals. That's the 60-day movement. You had January and then the February, but most of the move here was the quarterly earnings report on Tesla.